He's like fifth in line. Alright.
Sure it's not star 77?
It's pound 77.
Hi there. My name is Evan Stone. I am on the HRBT going westbound. And with all this traffic going on, there is a pretty aggressive driver that was riding in the shoulder throughout the entire length of traffic, and he cut somebody off right behind me, and then he just stopped and is really just being antagonistic to the person behind me. He's holding the entire lane up, and he's just being very rude, weaving all over.
Now he's tailgating you.
Now he's tailgating me. We're going to try to get his plate number as we enter the tunnel. Is that okay? Can I do that?
Sure. What kind of vehicle is it?
I have no clue. It's an older gray car. We are inside the tunnel now.
Oh, it's UMR.
Are you ready, ma'am? For the plate number? Oh, he just hit a traffic cone.
It's UWR 2175 is their plate number.
And that's a Virginia.
UWR 2175.
You like get a park maybe like West Maryland Romeo 2175?
And
Sounds about right. Yeah, he is literally. Oh my God, is he gonna hit me? Oh my God, he's gonna hit me. He is really being aggressive right now. Like, he is beyond tailgating me right now. He's hitting cones. He's yeah, I'm pretty actually worried. I'm not gonna lie to you. It is a black male. It's a black male with a beanie on.
Is this like a pickup truck, a sedan?
No, it's a sedan. It's a sedan. It's a sedan. Like I said, we're underneath of the tunnel right now.
Okay. We're going to notify troopers in the area that reckless driving vehicles and older model gray sedan without a Virginia tag.
Oh my God, he almost hit me.
He looks high. He looks
Is
high.
that correct?
What's that?
An older model gray sedan going through the tunnel westbound, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is a black male with a beanie on.
Okay, we're going to notify the troopers in the area.
Okay.
And now he's honking.
Now he's honking. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Take a picture of his license plate if you can. Just don't do it very like.
I'm not gonna do it. He's looking at it. Don't tell me anything. Seriously.
I'm not going to. Like, I'm just hearing if he honks. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's coming up me. He's coming up on me. I'm so worried.
I know.
Dude, he's gonna hit me.
I mean, honestly, if I were you, I would literally pull off to the side of the road and let him go. I honestly would do that. Do you want me to type? Just
Film this. No, don't hit me.
should I call 911?
Yeah.
I'm gonna call 911.
No. Ah! Come on, man!
I'm gonna call.
Come on, man!
I'm gonna call 911. I'm gonna call 911. He's gonna try and run. He's gonna try and run.
Call 911.
He's going. He's going. He's going. He's going.
Pull over!
Yes, hi. We're involved in a hit and run situation in the bottom of the HRBT tunnel going westbound. We are right behind the person. He just
hit us.
Are you on the interstate?
Yes, yes. HRBT going west, the Hampton Roads Bridge tunnel.
Let me transfer you to the interstate. Hold on. Let me transfer you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. We just called you. I mean, my brother just called you a little while ago. There's this really aggressive driver on the HRBT. He just ran into the back of our car.
And he's running. He's going. He didn't stop.
We pulled over on the closed because the left lane is closed. We pulled over to the left side out in a safe place so he would pull over with us so we could exchange information. He just kept going, so we're directly behind him now.
So where are you now?
We are going up.
We're at the.
Where are you now?
We're on the HRBT. We're about to go up the tunnel. Go, where it goes down, middle, up. We're about to go up. So we're about to go in this part